Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today I will teach you how to get few views and subscribers to your YouTube channel and videos so that you can apply for AdSense and get approved. This is not a convenient way to be used after your videos are monetized, since Google AdSense will ban you and they will let's say reject your application, ban you, and stop monetization from your video or on your videos. This is YouTubemonster.net website. It provides free YouTube views. It helps you increase your YouTube views, YouTube likes, YouTube subscribers, and YouTube comments, but it's not for monetization. It's only for let's say sales and marketing purposes, but in our case we'll use it to prepare our channel for approval by AdSense. Since AdSense requires our channel to have 5 to 10 videos and some views and some subscribers, we will use this service. It's free. You can simply sign up. I already have an account here, so I can log in here. Then after login, as you can see, this is my dashboard. Simply you must run their client. Click here, client, open. A web page will appear for you. You must click start. This website works in this way. The official YouTube Monster is required to earn credits on YouTube Monster. You must earn credits using this client. The client will automatically do subscription, likes, comments, and views through your linked YouTube account. In exchange, you receive credit for it. That credit you will use to start campaign. So you need to sign in with your YouTube channel here, or let's say a temporary or a temp YouTube channel that this website will use to view other people's video, subscribe to their channel and get your points. As you can see, you must have some points here in your dashboard. Then you can start a campaign. YouTube only updates. Okay. New campaign. By clicking here, put your YouTube URL for YouTube video or channel. Choose what you want. For now, only views are allowed. How many seconds? Place here half the amount of your video length. So if your video is 5 minutes, choose 2 seconds and 30 minutes. How many views? Choose 100. You can choose advanced settings to define how many views per hour. I recommend this. Choose only 10 or 15 views per hour so that Google won't close your account. You can choose random view length in seconds. That's it. Then click submit. After that, your video will get views until it reach 100 view. Then add another video. Try to upload at least 5 videos to your channel with at least 100 views for each before applying for Google AdSense. But don't apply immediately. Wait at least a week after the channel creation so that YouTube AdSense won't think that you are just a robot trying to show their ads on your channel. Don't use this website to monetize your videos. These views won't count in Google AdSense and you will get banned. This is only for marketing and sales use. Don't use it when your account is officially monetized using Google AdSense ad, since this will ban your account. Again, this will cause your account to be banned. I'm teaching you this so that you can get views to get accepted by AdSense. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to register in YouTube Monster in the next lesson or the next article. This is Money Making Team. Thanks for watching.